Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about government suspends new LLP registration, that is limited liability partnership registration. The government of India has decided to put a stop. They have not declared what is the reason behind this, but there is a rumor that government is running out of their forms for registration, because most of the startups, they try to register their company as the form of LLP because it need little or very less number of compliances compared to other forms of the company like private limited or public limited company. But so the expert criticize this move, and they believe that in this digital age where everything can be done on internet, why should India still use the paper system for registration of company? So in the existing system, to register a LLP in India, a person needs to apply for a DPIN. So what is DPIN? DPIN is designated partner identification number. This is different from the DIN number, which is director identification number. An application for DPIN is the first step in the whole process of LPP registration. The DPIN is applied by filling up IR3 form. Once a company gets the designated partners identification numbers, then the name application is filled with ROC of respective state. Thereafter, final incorporation is filed with the registrar of the company. The government now wants to merge the DPIN registration systems in the process of LLP registration, that is the final registration. The aim of doing this is to get your company registered in the form of LLP, because government want to promote a culture of startups and entrepreneurships. So to support this, we have to make ease in doing business. Thank you for discussion. Hope you have enjoyed the video. You can like our channel and subscribe so that we will provide you more useful content in future.